Hello. Don't worry if your orchid pots have yellow leaves, rotten roots, and poor growth. I will guide you how to restore and care for them with grain nutrition. Very effective. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. I put 1 packet of cereal nutrition into the container and pour in 50-degree boiling water to help the cereal nutrition dissolve and release nutrients. We can put a small amount of rooting hormone in the container and let it cool. Grain seeds provide nutrients when released, stimulate root growth, and do not spread pests. This is a pot of orchid that is wilted, malnourished, and for some reason the leaves are yellow and underdeveloped. I will take care of it. I will remove yellow leaves and dead flowers so the plant does not have to provide nutrients to it. We need to check the roots of the orchid to see if the roots are rotten, dead, or diseased by removing the orchid from the pot. You can see that the orchid roots have become waterlogged and died. To restore them, we first need to remove the rotten, damaged roots from the orchid. Remove rotten, damaged roots to prevent the spread of pests and diseases and to allow new roots to grow. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. The cool cereal water has released nutrients. We will use a towel to absorb. Wipe gently for orchid leaves. We wipe the leaves with grain water, which helps the leaves retain moisture and absorb nutrients, removing dirt, mold, and pests. After cleaning the leaves and soaking the orchid in cereal water, we prepare a suitable nursery pot and plant the plant. We can use sterilized and cleaned coconut fiber to grow orchids. Newly pruned orchids are still weak when planting in pots. Remember to keep them in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. After only 15 days of care, the orchid pot is healthy, strong, and disease-free. Now we need to care for and stimulate the orchid to bloom. I will combine honey and garlic to stimulate the supply of nutrients for orchids to bloom. Garlic and honey can repel insects, prevent pests, and provide nutrients for orchids to grow best. We use a wet towel soaked in honey and garlic water to gently wipe the leaves, helping the orchid leaves absorb nutrients and have better resistance. We water the remaining orchid as usual. After 45 days, the orchid has bloomed. To stimulate the orchid to grow big, beautiful, long-lasting, and avoid pests, I use tangerine juice mixed with water to spray on the orchid. If done correctly, after just over 2 months, we will have healthy orchid pots with lots of flowers. After work, we can enjoy the flowers together. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.